Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the WIGS for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the WIGS for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Every day I see miserable people doing things they hate just to fit in. I know it's easier to get along peacefully, but have you ever thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on a Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich for trying to see the outside? I know it's hard sometimes to believe it, that you deserve more. Let me hear you say it. Oh, quit the job you hate and love the ones you love. 'Cause have you ever really thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on a Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich for trying to see the outside?
Okay, y'all, so I have obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Unice Hair. Shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking, I don't have any details on this wig, okay? So I'm freestyling it, but definitely check the description box below, and all the details and specs will be listed down below, as well as a direct link to this unit. So, obviously, in my opinion, this is a kinky curly unit. I'm almost 100% positive. So, I guess I'm 98% positive that it's a kinky curly unit. I do want to go ahead and mention that this unit came pre-cut. I did not have to cut any lace off this wig. All I had to do was apply, oh girl. So, that means I didn't have to tweeze it, nor did I have to cut the lace. Like, oh girl, she woke up like this, okay? The only thing I had to do to this unit was bleach the knots, and honestly, y'all, I think you can get away with not bleaching the knots. So this is probably one of the most beginner-friendly frontals that I've gotten in forever. Because it is a 13, if I'm not mistaken, it's 13 by 4. Yeah, it is a 13 by 4 frontal. So I have gotten units that I didn't have to cut the lace, but it was more so like a T-part type of unit. This is a 13 by 4. So this is the most beginner-friendly 13 by 4 unit I have ever gotten. So I want to throw that out there because I also, like I said, didn't have to tweeze it. Because she woke up like this, okay? So that is always a plus. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this particular unit, I did not personally experience any shedding or tangling, but I also didn't run my fingers through it a whole lot. I just did it a little bit. But there was, believe it or not, for it to be a kinky curly unit, I really did not experience that. I also want to mention that they have on the back that is transparent lace. And I did use my tinted mousse that I've been using, and I do have a direct link to that down below in the description box, because I know that transparent lace can come off a little whitish, but if you have that mousse, it gets rid of that. As far as this unit being big head friendly, now I do want to go ahead and mention there is no comb in the back. It has like this thing, and I'm just gonna insert a picture or a clip so you guys can see from the beginning. It's like this clear stuff that kind of makes it just adhere to you better, but it doesn't have any comb in the back nor adjustable straps, but it does come with an elastic band, and like it really is more so big head friendly than not, but I do only have the head that's on my shoulders, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that, okay? Do with that what you want to do with that. Now we can get into my pros and cons as well as a full 360, so please continue to watch. My con is going to be that it's a 13 by 4. Okay, granted, I am wearing it in this half up, half down style, so that's not a big deal. But it would be if I was wearing it, you know, if I wanted to wear a deep side part, you would definitely have to do a curved part. You guys know if I don't have anything else, I can always go to the fact that it's a 13 by 4. I'm trying to make sure these bangs ain't making these long lashes make me look like this. I hate that. So yeah, that is my only con with this wig. Now, as far as my pros, you guys know I love a good kinky curly. Okay, I just do. And honestly, I only applied water to the unit, but I can't find my spray bottle. It may be at the other house. If you've been watching my vlogs, then you know what I mean. But it may be at the other house, so I actually just put some water in an old leave-in conditioner bottle. So it's probably a little leave-in conditioner in there as well. But that is pretty much all that I applied to this unit. And I just love this texture. I think this texture is everything. I also love the hairline. I also love that I ain't had to cut no lace, because you know your girl lazy. You know your girl lazy. So I also love that for me as well. So those are my pros. Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit, especially if you're looking for a more natural option. It's also very, very full. I don't know the density, child, because I don't know nothing right now. But it's also a very, very full unit. So that is also a plus for me. I love a good full unit, especially in the colder months. And we, at some point, I hope in Alabama, we'll get a little colder. Right now, it's like 65 degrees. And this is probably the coolest when, like, just like probably Monday, it was 80. So, but I like a good full unit when it is colder. It's like wearing a pretty hat, okay, a hair hat. So yes, I would personally recommend this unit. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Alright y'all, so let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you think it's a look. Let me know if you think it's a vibe. Let me know if you love the texture and you love the fact that you do not have to cut lace on this unit. Let me know, sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. Helps Miss on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely. Got every style and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily.